Sharpe tech on deck.
When Raycon sent their everyday earbuds out to me, I was excited to see if they had improved since the last time I reviewed a pair of their earbuds. The volume is loud. The highs are tempered. The mids are recessed. The bass is muddy. I mean, it was scathing. There is too much bass in the lower mids and the upper bass. And I gave them a specific list of improvements to make. So what I wanted to hear from these were crisper highs. I wanted the vocals to come forward so I can hear them clearly. I needed those lower mids to get out of the way so when I listen to my classic R&B, the horns and the synthesizers come through. So did they listen? Did they hit the mark this time or did they miss it again? Let's jump into it. Let's start with the Confort and Fit. Now these earbuds are amazingly lightweight and breathable. They did not make me feel uncomfortable. I could listen for hours uninterrupted and I did not get any kind of ear fatigue. So they passed the test there. These are also water resistant. So they're waterproof and dustproof with the IPX6 rating. However, I still would not submerge them in water. Now let's talk about the case and battery life. The case itself is sleek in plastic. However, there's an option for you to also get a colorful protective case to keep your earbuds safe. You get 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, totaling 32 when you include the case. Overall, it's a playful design that's sure to raise eyebrows. As far as the controls, you've got volume up and down, fast forward reverse, call, receive calls. On the left bud to change the sound signature between pure, balanced, and bass sounds, and on the right, long press to turn ANC on and off. As for the connectivity and latency, these earbuds have Bluetooth 5.2, so the connection is pretty strong. You can get up to about 10 feet away from your device and still have a solid connection. When I watched some YouTube with these earbuds, there was some latency, but nothing major. It was not a problem for me. These are still a go. Now, let's listen to some samples from our sound quality test. This is a call quality test of the Raycon Everyday Earbuds in a quiet room. This is a call quality test of the Raycon Everyday Earbuds near a space heater and with the television on. This is the audio quality of the Raycon Everyday Earbuds with a noisy background. Now let's talk about noise cancellation. There are 3 modes: ANC on, ANC off, and awareness mode on and off. You can control these by tapping and holding on the right earbud. Now I took these with me to my braid shop where I get my hair done. I couldn't hear the noise inside the shop at all when I had these on. This made my music sound great while I was sitting in the chair. Now you've also got your EQ shift. These are your 3 modes: pure sound, balanced sound, and bass sound. I'm gonna be honest with you, I prefer to listen to these on balanced sound. The pure sound was a little light in the bass for my tastes, and the bass sound was a little heavy in the bass for my taste. But apparently Raycon recognizes that everyone prefers different sound signatures and they've given us 3 options. Although there's not an app to control the earbuds in your phone, these still produce amazing sound on the modes that they offer, and you just change with the tap of a bud. And I'm gonna let you come along with me as I test some music. That is completely sick. Oh wow. The bass, I didn't even know earbuds could have this much bass. All right, everyone knows the bass drop in a lot by 21 Savage. It nailed it. Vocals are clear. Percussion and highs, crispy. Okay, again, a great balance of highs, mids, and lows. Balanced sound is my preferred sound signature. You may like another one, but be sure to choose the one that best suits you. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the sound quality. The highs are appropriately high, they're bright, and they hit. There's no sibilance. And the mids are slightly recessed, but they come through. I can hear all the horns, all the guitar and the vocals very clearly. They are appropriately located right in the center of my head. And I was pleasantly surprised at how clear they are this time. Before with Raycon, I've experienced quite a bit of muddiness, but the bass in these stays in its place. The bottom is full, it's exciting. When I listen to some of my favorite songs and I know that bass drop is gonna hit, these did not disappoint at all. If you're a bass head and you love hip hop, EDM, R&B, that new R&B, and even classic R&B, these are going to knock your socks off. I would not lie to you. I'm brutally honest when I give my reviews, and I'm being brutally honest that at $79.99, these Raycon earbuds are amazing. To sum it up, that was a totally immersive experience, very enjoyable to listen to. For the price point, again, you can't go wrong with these. In fact, you should own them. And if you go to their website, choose the color for you and put in my code, Jovan367, and you get an additional $12 off your purchase. So overall, my two favorite features are the Confort and Fit and the EQ shift. That's where you can choose from pure, balanced, and bass sound. Now I will add that for my own listening pleasure in my phone, I EQ'd it to the late night setting. So I feel like I'm getting the optimal sound that these have to offer, and I'm extremely satisfied. These work for me because I like listening to my music distraction-free, and they do an outstanding job canceling out noise. So the ANC feature is top-notch for the price point. I encourage you to go and shop now. Get a pair of these earbuds so that you can experience what I have experienced. I'm pleasantly surprised. Raycon, you nailed it. Thank you for an amazing experience. Everybody, this is my time. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to head over to Raycon and use the code Jovan367.